Every canvas in Miro is infinite. Maybe you've heard this before.
Infinite canvas.
Infinite canvas.
Boards are infinite.
Infinite canvas.
Miro boards are infinite.
But sometimes infinity is just too big. So we've created a new way to organize materials and structure work in Miro. There are 3 new concepts to learn: spaces, formats, and focus modes. We cover each of these in detail in other videos, but for now, let's first demonstrate how together we believe this will change the way you work. Let's take a look. Product Manager Omar creates this new space for an upcoming launch and pins it to his dashboard for easy access. Within this space, he creates a board to host a product ideation and concept development workshop. After the workshop, he uses Miro AI to generate a product brief and make some necessary, that is to say, human, edits. Since the Miro doc is the structured output of the unstructured work, Omar sets it as the default view. This focuses stakeholders to what's most relevant, but they can always return to the canvas if they'd like to see the ideation. Next, Katie the engineer is added to this space and reads the product brief. After getting up to speed, she creates a new diagram in the space. Here, she easily accesses the diagramming-specific tools to quickly map out the technical requirements. When it's time to share progress with stakeholders, Omar creates a slide format and adds synced copies of the other formats onto the slides. Anytime an edit is made to the original format, the change is reflected here. This ensures stakeholders always have the most up-to-date information. Notice we have 4 distinct elements: a board, a doc, a diagram, and a slide presentation, that instead of being hosted on different tools or crammed onto one board, are all in discrete yet connected formats in a single space. With spaces and formats, teams can bring their diverse work together in a single place, reducing operational costs, improving collaboration, and ultimately empowering them to get from idea to outcome faster.